Hello everyone. So today we will be learning in Linux flexibility of command usage and date command, and along with that we'll learn about different keystrokes that we can use when something goes wrong. So let's start first. So in the previous video we have seen that we have used wc command. Suppose I want to know about how many lines are there in abc.txt. So it will show me that there are 2 lines in abc.txt. And suppose I want to know long list format, listing format of abc.txt, then it will give me all the details of that abc.txt file, whether it's a file and who is the owner and when it was created and all sort of things. So combining command we can use to combine 2 commands together, and we can save the result of that command in any file. Let's see how we can do that. So here I am listing number of files in abc.txt file, how many lines are present, and I am using here meta character semicolon. After that, second command abc.txt. Now to execute both this command together, I'll put in a parenthesis, and I want to redirect the output of this command in some file, new file 1. Okay, let's see how it is. There should be a space. Enter. Okay, so here I'm getting error because in ls I have not used option space. So there is always, the syntax has to be command space hyphen and then whatever is the option. Let's execute this again. And okay, so whatever command we have executed this to, content is in new file 1. So let's see what is in new file 1. Cat command is used to display the content of the file. Okay, so now if you can see here, the output of first command, that is wc-l abc.txt, that is 2. There are 2 lines in abc.txt, so output of first command is also there and output of second command is also there in new file. So this 2 command we have executed together. We can do same way. Let's change this and write cat. Okay, so here it's going to display number of lines which is in abc.txt, and also it's going to display the content of abc.txt in new file. Let's execute this and see what's the output. Now again I will new file 1. Can you see here? It's showing the output of wc-l, that is number of the lines present in abc.txt, and cat command is, because cat command, it shows the content of abc.txt that has executed, and we have redirected those content into the new file and not on the screen. So here is the output. So this way we can execute multiple commands and execute it and display. Now, so this is the combining command. Second, we have there are some different sort of ways to for flexibility of command usage. So this is first combining command. Second is a command line can overflow or be split into multiple lines. Like by default, there are the screen width, it has 80 character by default length. But if whatever I'm typing it exceeds 80 character, then how I'm going to write? So suppose here I'm writing, let's see how we can do. I'm writing this is, now because I have started here inverted quotes and I have not ended, so this is, I'm typing this is demo line 3, okay, and suppose it has 80 characters. Now I'm end of the screen, just put enter. So if you can see is this sign up here, so this means you can continue the line. This is only one line till you put the double quotes, ending double quotes, it's going to consider as a one line. So I can type here a 3-line text message and then ending here, and now I will put this double quotes. So this means this is one sentence, complete one sentence. It's not ended, but you can continue in second line, third line. In that way you can complete your sentence by pressing the enter and into one logical line. This is the one logical line. So these are two different ways in which you can use the command in a flexible way. Now next thing is, like sometimes when executing the command we have some issue, we have some we encounter some error, something goes wrong, then there are some different keyboard commands that you can try when things goes wrong. Like I have entered cat command. Here cat command, it displays the content of the file, but here you have to provide file name. Now I realize, okay, I don't want the content of the file to be displayed. So here you can just type Control D. So this will terminate the login session or a program that expects its input from the keyboard. So Control D, Control D, what it does, it will terminate login session or a program that expects its input. Now I am typing terminate the login session. I have typed this. Suppose this is a command. I want to delete the I don't want to execute this command, or I have executed, I want to interrupt a command, then I can press Control C. Okay, so this command won't be executed. Again, now suppose I am typing here some command and I want to erase the character. So Control H, suppose cat ABC. Now Control H will delete a character. Okay, if you just keep on typing Control H, it keeps on deleting the character. So Control D is to terminate the login session or program. Control C is to interrupt a command, means you don't want to execute the command. Control H, it erases the text. or character. So you can just keep on pressing Ctrl H and it will delete character by character. Now, so Control C is like one command you have executed and you want to kill the command, you want to end the command, interrupt the command, then you can use Control C. Now here, if I want to kill the command without executing, so I can use Control U. It's not gonna execute. So these are some of the keyboard commands that you can try when things goes wrong, like you want to kill the command, you want to end the session, you want to kill the command, you want to end the session, so you want to delete the character. So all those you can do with these options. Okay, so in the next video we'll see date and calendar command. We'll just play around with some month and date and time. So see you in the next video.